Stuck trying to publish your Namecheap site without buying a domain? Here's exactly how to use a free visual.com subdomain in under 5 minutes. We'll start in the website editor, then walk through the publish settings to select and confirm your visual subdomain. All right, so let's dive in. Start from your Namecheap dashboard. You're going to open the website you want to publish. Just click into the editor for that site. This is where all your content lives, your pages, your images, everything you've been building. Once you're in the editor, look for the Publish button. It's usually pretty easy to spot, often up in the top corner. Go ahead and click that. This is where the magic happens. Now, in the Publish dialog that pops up, you'll see a few options. One of them will say something like, Use a visual.com subdomain. That's the one we want. Click on that option. This is the free route, no custom domain purchase needed. Now you'll see a field where you can type the subdomain you want. This is the address people will type to find your site. So something like mycoolsite.visual.com. Click into that field to highlight it. Go ahead and type your desired subdomain. Maybe it's your business name or your name or something catchy. Once you've typed it, there should be a button that says something like Check Availability, or it might check automatically. You want to see that little green check that says Subdomain Available. If it's taken, you'll have to try something else. Get creative with it. All right, you've found one that's free. Now click that button that says Use this subdomain. That locks it in as your choice. Next, click the Continue button to move to the next screen. And here's where I want you to pay close attention. You might need a visual subscription to actually publish your site, even with the free subdomain. Think of it this way. The subdomain is free to use, but the engine that powers and hosts your site on that subdomain requires a subscription. So on the next screen, you'll likely see an option to purchase a visual subscription. This is a common step, and I've seen it trip a lot of people up. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just select the plan that works for you and complete the purchase. Once that's done, your site will go live on that visual.com subdomain. And that's it. From confused about publishing options to confidently publishing your Namecheap site on a free visual subdomain. I've walked through this exact process myself, so you can trust these clicks. Go ahead and give it a try. You've got this.